Hello everyone, today's menu will be sticky, sweet, and spicy wings. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Okay, I have some chicken here that I already cut into halves, and I toss in some olive oil. Here in this bowl, I have salt, black pepper, onion powder, and paprika. Go ahead and just sprinkle it right on top and give it a nice mix. Let them get to know each other a little better. Here I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm just going to place the chicken flat and as neatly as I can. Try not to let them touch each other because they do not cook as fast. Meanwhile, the chicken is baking. Here I have some garlic that I already chopped up, but I will show you guys the way how I do it. Just go ahead and roughly chop it up any way you prefer. And then also do the same thing with the Thai chili pepper. I already cut them up, and you go ahead and do the same thing too. Just roughly chop it. And then here I have some cilantro that I'm going to just cut the end piece off. You can use that if you prefer, but I normally just throw that piece out. And then I like to try to roll it up and then go ahead and mince it up. It makes my life a little bit easier. On medium-high heat, I already added some oil and ginger to the wok. You want to cook it until it is golden brown, but not quite burnt. And then go ahead and add in some of the honey. This is the raw honey that I'm using. You go ahead and use whichever honey you prefer. And then go ahead and add in some soy sauce. And then also some oyster sauce. And then some lime juice. Give it a nice mix to combine. And then you will also want to add in some ginger powder and some chili powder. And then don't forget to also add in some Thai peppers. You can omit this if you prefer not to use it. And then go ahead and toss in the cooked chicken and coat them well with this delicious sauce that we just made. It really smells delicious. I just want to show you guys which chili powder I'm using. You can get this at any Asian local grocery store. I'm not sure if they carry this anywhere else. Okay, here is the end results of the sticky, sweet, and spicy wings. I hope you'll give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!